Hi everyone. Yesterday we ordered a toy for my little baby brother, and today we're gonna unbox it and see if he likes it or not. Let's do it.
Did you open it?
Okay, so let's open it and see what's inside. More packaging. Okay. And he's excited. The car seems like it's pre-assembled. So a lot of work done there. It's a big car.
Yeah.
I did not expect it to be this big, but okay. I cannot open this. Wait. Whoa.
Look at this.
I'm making a mess.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Oh god.
Simple.
Whoa, wait. There's a lot of stuff in here. Wait, let me move this box. Yeah, he's excited. Okay, so I guess this is the chair. Yeah, he's gonna fit on it. Okay, the steering wheel right here. It's in the back. But here are the rims of the wheels. Wait, let me see if I can take it out to get a better picture.
Yay.
Yeah. And there's more stuff. Oh. And what is this? The windshield, I think? I could be wrong. Yeah, the windshield. The actual wheels. Yeah. There's one side, so let me take these out. And you can, after we unwrap the whole plastic, there's an inner console as well. You see a wheel?
Yes, it's a wheel.
Yeah. Can we open? Can we open? Open, open. Oh, oh, oh. Oh.
So, baby, what is that?
I think you can open the doors.
What is?
It's a wheel.
Wheel?
See wheel? Oh my gosh. I think you can open the trunk, I guess. And the wheels here, I mean the doors. It seems openable. There's a lot of that. Oh, look at your car. Ooh. Okay. Oh, you red car?
That is the red car.
Wow. There's a lot of electrics. Oh, there's a pedal. So I just opened this little box and I didn't know what it was. So basically it's a controller for the car. So if Chimu gets tired or something, that we can drive it. I didn't know that this was in the little package, but now it is. So now we have to connect all of this. Okay, so now we're gonna start building the car. First, we're gonna do the tires, then we're gonna do the seat, and yeah. So let's start.
Open door. Open door.
Sweet, not done. Okay, now I'm screwing the bolt on the back one. Then we have to put on the rims as well after this. Okay. Okay, so now we're screwing on the front tire, and we're just gonna plug this one in. So you can see where it goes. Oh. Okay, got it. Now we put the washer, and we put the nut. Okay, that's And now we put on our rim. These. And
Give me the ring, baby.
Okay.
Where is it?
and it should be an easy clip, but I don't really know. Huh. Okay, so now we're assembling the seat. We just unscrew the screws that were there, and we're just screwing them back in. And after this, we're gonna put on the little mirrors. So we're just gonna screw that in first. Ooh. Oh, wait. He's already trying to get in. Okay. Wait, okay? Okay, so now we're putting on the steering wheel. It's only one cable, so we just have to connect that. Pretty simple. Alright. Let me take the thing. Okay, so yeah, pretty much, I guess. We're attaching the mirrors.
Look at your empty car.
So I think it's just a simple clip. Yep. Yep. Pretty much. That's sturdy. Okay.
Give me that.
Yeah, the windshield. There you go. I think that's it for the building part. And now I think we have to charge it after this.
Open
Chibu,
the door.
open door.
Open the door. Here, baby, here.
Yeah. Now pull. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Yeah.
Perfect. Now
Chibu,
close
close
the
the
door.
door. Yeah.
Close. Okay. Steering. Turn. Come on. Turn. Yeah. Turn. Accelerator.
Yeah. Oh,
Turn. Yeah. Now accelerate. Go.
Oh my gosh.
Come on.
Go.
Come.
Yeah. Go. It's your turn. Yeah.
It's a blanket car.
Two. Accelerator. Okay, stop. So now, remember the controller I told you about that came with that? So it's basically we're gonna able to be driving on that. So this is controlling that. And yeah. What? Good. Okay, so we built the car and he seems very excited and very playful. So I'll see you later. Bye.
bar. Reverse.